Okay, welcome back, everyone. Let's dive into something pretty exciting today, fresh from the world of Gundam. We've got wind of a new model kit announcement,
Yeah.
and this one, well, it's not just any kit. It captures a really, really iconic moment.
That's exactly right. It's a very specific addition, one that, visually connects the physical model kit back to a super dramatic piece of Gundam history.
Okay, let's unpack this a bit. What exactly is this kit we're talking about?
So we're looking at the upcoming entry-grade 1144 RX-93 Gundam, but the key part is the color designation, the Axis Shock Image Color.
Axis Shock Image Color.
Ah, okay, now it's clicking. That's a direct reference to the absolute climax of Mobile Suit Gundam, Char's Counterattack, isn't it?
Precisely. Yeah, the whole color scheme is designed to visually represent that intense energy emission, from a psycho frame during that critical scene.
The scene where the Gundam, with a Muro pushing it, literally helps push the asteroid axis away from dropping onto Earth.
Wow.
Exactly that moment.
Right.
When the psycho frame resonated, creating that massive phenomenon, the kit tries to capture that look.
That's fascinating. Try to capture an energy effect, a whole narrative beat just in the color of the plastic.
Yeah.
So the details then. How can people get their hands on this thing?
All right, so the release is scheduled for July 2025, but here's the catch, and it's a big one. This is an exclusive item. You'll only find it at the Gundam Side-F store.
Gundam Side-F that's the one in Fukuoka, Japan, right?
That's the one. So yeah, specific place, specific time, not your average retail release.
Right. And it's entry grade 1144 scale. That line's known for being pretty accessible, isn't it? Good for newcomers.
Absolutely. Entry grade is all about ease of assembly. Often snap fit, no glue, no paint needed usually. Just, put it together and you're good. And 1144 scale puts it at, let's see, just over 15 centimeters tall, roughly, based on the Gundam specs. So a nice manageable size.
Okay, good size for display. And the price for an exclusive. How's it looking?
The announced price is 1,540 Japanese yen, and that includes tax.
Okay. Around 1,500 yen. Given the exclusivity and the iconic moment it represents, that actually sounds pretty reasonable.
Yeah, I think so too. It's not breaking the bank for something unique like this.
And what comes in the box besides the special colored plastic?
You get all the standard parts to build the Gundam itself, obviously in that Axis Shock image color. Plus, its characteristic beam rifle and shield are included. And it also comes with some stickers for detailing. Standard entry-grade fare, but with that unique color twist.
Gotcha. Now, we've mentioned the Gundam and the Axis Shock quite a bit. For anyone listening who might need a quick refresher on the mobile suit itself, what's the core info?
Right, so the RX-93 Gundam, often just called the New Gundam, is Amuro Ray's personal, custom mobile suit from Char's Counterattack. It was built specifically for him by Anaheim Electronics, incorporating some really cutting-edge tech for the time.
And a huge part of that tech, central to this whole Axis Shock thing the kit references, was the psycho frame, right?
Exactly, that was the game changer. Psycho frame tech basically embeds psychomu receivers and transmitters directly into the molecular structure of the mobile suit's frame. For a new tech pilot like Amuro, this meant, well, an incredibly sensitive, almost direct mental link to the machine. Think super fast reaction times, really intuitive control.
And it's that direct mental link, amplified by Miro's new type abilities and arguably the resonance with other wills around Axis. That's what supposedly enabled that massive energy output, the Axis Shock phenomenon itself.
Precisely. It's where the tech meets the sort of metaphysical potential of new types in the Gundam universe. It's a perfect storm.
It's really cool how a model kit, just through color, can tie directly back into not just a cool design, but a specific piece of in-universe technology and a massive story moment.
It really highlights how Gunpla can be more than just models. They can be little pieces of the narrative, representations of the tech and the moments that make the series stick with us.
Absolutely. So you see, this specific kit isn't just about the plastic, the colors. It's really about trying to capture a peak dramatic moment from the universal century timeline, a piece of history you can hold.
Which, it does bring up an interesting question, doesn't it? How well can a static model kit capture something so dynamic, so emotionally charged, like the Axis Shock? And thinking beyond this, what other pivotal scenes, maybe moments defined by specific tech or pilot feats, would be exciting to see represented in this kind of way? Definitely something for you to mull over.